IELTS writing correction and feedback service by a trained examiner to increase your score. I check your writing tasks and I give you feedback on the mistakes that you're making and ways to improve your writing. I will also give you a score for each of the 4 grading criteria and tell you how you can improve it. I'm Mike Watty, IELTS examiner, IELTS tutor and author. During my IELTS career, I've corrected over 20,000 IELTS tasks. Trust me, I know the common mistakes that students are making with their writing, and I can help you to improve your writing. When I assess your writing, I'm going to do it in the same way that I do it for the real IELTS examination, according to all 4 grading criteria. Let's look in a bit more detail at exactly what I'm going to be looking at when I assess your writing. Task response. I'm going to be looking at the response you make in your writing to the topic. And I'm also going to be checking that you've answered the question in the right way. I'm going to be looking to see that your main ideas are clear and developed in logical ways with logical explanations and examples that illustrate your key ideas. Cohesion and coherence. I'm going to be looking at the overall structure of your writing and making sure that you're using an appropriate overall structure, usually 4 paragraphs if it's an essay. I'm going to be looking at your introduction, the first paragraph of your writing, and making sure that it clearly introduces to the reader the topic and also what your essay is about, which reflects the question that you were asked. I'm going to be looking at your topic sentences and making sure that they appropriately introduce what your paragraph is about to the examiner. Then I'm going to be looking at your paragraph development. I'm going to be looking to see that this key point that you've established in your topic sentence is logically developed through your paragraph. I'm going to be looking at your final paragraph and making sure that you have an appropriate conclusion for your essay. Now this varies a bit according to the type of question that you're asked, so I'm going to be making sure that your conclusion is logical for the task type or the question type that was asked in the task instructions. Vocabulary or lexical resource. I'm going to be checking to see that you have used language appropriately and accurately throughout your essay. I'll look for other mistakes such as with spelling and making sure that you're using correct spelling. I'll be checking that you haven't overused any phrases, that there is not any excessive repetition. And where this occurs, I'll give you suggestions about alternative words that you can use instead. I'll be looking for high-level language and checking that you've used it appropriately and in context, and aspects such as collocation. These are critical to getting a high score for vocabulary in your test. With grammar, I'm going to be looking for mistakes that you're making. I'm going to be checking that you have correct word order in your sentences. I'm going to be looking for some of the minor errors such as the use of articles, a, an and the, because I've noticed a lot of students have trouble to use these accurately. I'm also going to be looking for talent, checking that you've used a range of sentence types, that you've used a wide range of sentence types. I'm also going to be checking that you have used complex sentences correctly, because this is critical to getting a high score for grammar. So by complex sentences, I mean sentences that have a dependent and independent clause in them. We commonly form these with like if phrases, conditionals, or with relative pronouns, words like who, which, where, when. These words add information to a subject and allow you to create complex sentences. Finally, I'm also going to give you your overall score, and I'm going to outline for you what the main mistakes are that you're making and how to overcome them. And I'm going to outline for you the key areas that you need to work on for improvement to get the score you need so that you can move on with your life and pass this test. I have samples of past tests that I've corrected. You can see the link below. I also have a PDF that can help you on essay templates. A lot of my students love this, link below. And I've also got a link below if you would like to have me correct your writing. Essentially, there's 3 easy steps to have your writing corrected by me. Make a payment, send me your writing, I send you feedback with the mistakes that you've made and suggestions for improvement. And then you're welcome to ask me any questions if anything in my feedback is unclear. Best of luck with your studies.